What's up, YouTube? It's your boy One Voice, and we back with another banger. Merry Christmas to everybody. How everybody doing out there, man? I would have got up a little early, man, but I ain't hear my alarm go off, man. I supposed to been up at 6:30, but it's like 7:30, going on 8ish right now. But I told y'all I'm finna do a cooking video. I know y'all probably wanted to see it, you know what I'm saying? Because I was at Walmart last night and telling y'all, you know what I'm saying, I'm gonna do a cooking video the next day. So, I already just prepped the turkey and everything like that. You know what I'm saying? It's just what it look like for right now. You see it? They be like, man, why I got a big ass hole in there? Because I cooked the turkey out. I cut the back of the turkey to make it, cook fast. People, if you ain't from down south, you won't know nothing about that. You gotta do your homework. But I'm finna wash these dishes real quick, you know. And tell me out there, did you open a gift for Christmas Eve? Did you open one gift? And if so, what did you receive as your first gift when you opened it? And man, we on the road to 500 subscribers. I'm trying to be there, you know, I'm trying to be there in a short hand of time because I'm working. Every time you see my video upload, show some love because that's what I do. I always show love. I always got it in my heart to be showing love to other people. Merry Christmas, Merry Christmas. Yeah, man, they had took my video down with Lil King or whatever. I feel like, shouldn't nobody put it on the internet if they ain't feel like it shouldn't have been up on YouTube, but I get it, it's a guideline and stuff like that. But man, y'all just pray for Lil King, man. He really mad at Finesse 2 times. He really spreading out his business. But he a child, man. What you expect him to do when? Yeah, man. Like I was saying, man. Yeah, what you expect for Lil King? He is a kid, man. But man, tell me why my mic went dead or something in this video. That was crazy, man. But that was good content. But I'm still gonna post this. I'm doing a voiceover, man. It's your boy One Voice. Show some love. So I basically was saying, what was y'all gift opening if y'all opened your first gift Christmas Eve? Put it in the comments. I appreciate everybody for showing the support and love. And that's what I was getting at, man. And Lil King, I was just saying y'all pray for him because, he really spreading 2 times business, because he mad because he don't want no discipline in his life. And every kid, and even if you a grown man, you need discipline in your life. You got to discipline yourself to make yourself better. Read, write, education is the key. If King would have, would try to bend on some positive like that, he would have found out in the long run that's what a real man is and not trying to act tough and bad out here. But people gonna think it's wrong for, what he said about Finesse 2 times, and people gonna think it's right. But, Merry Christmas to everybody, so I hope everybody enjoy their day. And the turkey just got done, man. I want y'all to see how good it look, man. I'll split it open and everything, man. Look at that, man. I'm talking about juicy, tender, all that. Y'all make sure y'all go tag Cooking with Kaya and tell her One Voice ain't playing no games. She gonna have to come with it. Merry Christmas. I want y'all to rank One Voice Fit 1 to 10. I tried my best to match my phone. You see how fly I am. Yeah, I'm feeling like gorilla. I ain't even gonna lie. I'm putting it on today. Yeah, I'm putting it on today. What are you saying? But nah, this was yesterday though, man. But I want y'all to Check me out. Ugh. Ugh. Stop playing with one voice. He really put it on. Ugh.